Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So the Disneyland mobile app lets you customize your MagicBand Plus by changing its light up theme and adjusting settings like vibration and motion recognition. Personalizing your MagicBand Plus helps you make the most of supported park experiences while adding your own style. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to customize a MagicBand Plus in the Disneyland mobile app, perfect for new and returning Disneyland visitors. So first thing, open the Disneyland mobile app. Start by opening the application, open it and sign into your Disney account if needed, and tap your profile or menu icon. Okay, then open the MagicBand Plus section. Okay, so it's most probably in this section. Okay, so as you can see here, MagicBand Plus. Okay, so inside the app, open the menu, tap MagicBand Plus as I did, select the MagicBand Plus you want to customize. The management screen for your band will open. Okay, so check the band status like before customizing, confirm your MagicBand is connected, check that the battery is sufficient charged, and as you can see, install any available software updates if prompted. So your MagicBand Plus is now ready for customizations. Then change the light up theme, like now personalize your MagicBand Plus, tap light theme or the available customization option, browse the available light up themes and select your preferred theme. So your MagicBand Plus will use the selected lighting style during supported experiences. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.